our friend is a little sad. Are you sad too?
Sad.
People have lots of feelings. Their feelings are not our feelings. Their feelings are their own. There are lots of different feelings and emotions. Sometimes people are
Happy.
Sometimes people are
Mad or angry.
Sometimes people are
Sad.
How does he feel?
Confused.
How does she feel?
Shy.
How does he feel?
Scared. Frightened. Terrified.
So, if a friend is sad, you can say,
Are you okay?
or if it's too loud, you can simply walk away.